Amanda here from Scrimpingmommy.co.uk. Thanks for joining me today. Today I'm going to share with you all of the new beautiful DSPs in the autumn winter catalogue. I am going to be doing a paper share, so if you're interested in one of those, which is a quarter share of all of the papers I'm going to share with you today, do let me know by the 1st of September. This catalogue goes live on the 4th, so I need to have all of my orders in place by the 1st and payments received so that I can then order enough to share with you all. It's going to be very budget friendly this year, I will tell you, because there's only 8 brand new DSPs. There's some specialty foils and there's a specialty acetate. I'm not including those in the share because I think they bump the price up. And they don't always share very easily and cut nicely and things, so I'm keeping it to just the DSPs. So let's share. So first of all, the first one is called what's it called? Night Before Christmas. This is a 6x6 paper pad. You get 48, so you're getting, is it 1, 2, 3, 4 of each design? Yeah, 4 of each. So that one's Christmas trees. It smells lovely. I love the smell when you open a new paper pack. It smells beautiful. And this is going to coordinate beautifully with the items in the catalogue, the Night Before Christmas suite. But it's going to coordinate with just about everything. You know, if you're doing your Christmas crafting, it's perfect. So that's that one, and that is the reverse. I will tell you that in general, Stampin' Up! DSP is 160 GSM in weight. So it's nice and sturdy, it's not flimsy, it's beautiful, and they are double-sided. So you're getting good quality papers here. You're getting good quality printing. You can't fault Stampin' Up! Paper for the quality. It's beautiful. I love this one. I love the background, and I love how they've used slightly different. I mean, that one's quite traditional, but some of the colours are what I call non-traditional Christmas colours. It's not just red and green, so we've got a bit of different there, like the spots on the back. I love this one. This reminds me of my Christmas tree when I was a child in the 70s and 80s with all the ornaments that my mum collected over the years. That one's got presents on. Is that the back of that one? I've got that one mixed up somehow. That doesn't belong there. And again, here we've got slightly different than normal traditional colours, which is nice. It's nice to have a change. So there we go. That's the one with the presents. We've got that lovely rich colour in the background there and the pattern there. Look at this one. Hot chocolate and cookies. How awesome's that? I love that. And you can trim those to make like borders. I think that's lovely. We've got candy canes on the back there. Okay. And we've got this one with the lovely fairy lights. There is a stamp set in the catalogue that goes with that. And we've got the lovely patterned background. And this is lovely. It's Santa. Flying with his reindeers, and again we've got slightly different colouring. That looks like the new peacock colour, but I'm not going to swear to it. I love that one. That's a fantastic background, and then you could just put a character on there, like the Santa that comes, or Father Christmas that comes in the Night Before Christmas suite, and you're good to go. And then we've got stars on the back. So because we've got the pattern background like that, if you don't use it all at Christmas, you can use the other side after Christmas, so nothing gets wasted. And then we've got hollies and berries, always a winner, and that's a pretty background, isn't it? I like that. Oh, little envelopes, I love that. So that is the Night Before Christmas one. Okay. So let's have a look at the next one. And this is the Wrapped in Plaid 6x6, and it's Speciality. And it's called Speciality because it's got foiled detailing on it. It's beautiful. It's really lovely and thick again. And here you've got the foiled detailing there in the plaid. Or tartan, or whatever you want to call it. And these are awesome. I showcased this suite on the incentive trip in Greece, and you know, the demonstrators seem to really enjoy it. It's a lovely, lovely set to work with. I especially love this one. Okay, I'll show you all of the the side. So you've got quite a lot of traditional there and different backgrounds. Beautiful. Let's do the blues. I like this one. I really do. So that's the blue, and then we've got the red and green stripe. So they're all variations. They are all different, and they're all different designs. And we've got the Night of Navy, Cherry Cobbler and Shaded Spruce, I think, are the main colours in this one, with obviously the gold filing. And this one does, you can punch these out with the coordinating Christmas tree punch that goes with the sweet. That's a lovely green and red. I like this. Again, if you don't use it all at Christmas, you can carry on using it after, because that is, you know, it's non-specific, isn't it? It's not necessarily Christmassy. I love this one. I think that will go lovely with the Dashing Deer, which is in the annual catalogue, carried over from last year. Another beautiful blue one, and a lovely green one with some stockings on the back. So that is that one, wrapped in plaid, and this is my favourite, and it's called Feels Like Frost, and it's what we call a photographic paper. So basically they've taken photographs and then turned it into a DSP. So again, you've got 48 sheets here, and is it a speciality? It's a speciality, which means there are some foil detail in there. Look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. Awesome quality, and on the back there we've got the foiling. How beautiful is that paper? Exclusive to Stampin' Up. You cannot get these designs anywhere else. They are beautiful. Look at that one. Absolutely stunning. Wow. And again, we've got the foiling on the back. So, you know, you've got everything you need there for your beautiful. Look at that one with the shades of pink. Oh my, that is stunning. Oh wow, this is most definitely my favourite, and you're gonna have to go and get another pack of this. It's beyond beautiful, and you can hear the quality of that paper. It's stunning. Look at that, beautiful. And again, the beautiful silver foiling. So again, this will go beyond. This is not even necessarily Christmassy. This is just beautiful photographic paper. So again, you can use this all year round. That is stunning. Whoever took those photos is one talented person. And we've got a lovely wintry scene there. That's beautiful. Really, really gorgeous. Let's speed through. Look at that one. All you would need on that is a sentiment, and your card's done. I'm going to be making a heap of cards with this weekend. Absolutely beautiful. Sorry if you can hear my dogs yapping in the background. Look at that. And that's like a white background with silver foiling, rather than silver foiling background with white on. My dogs are yapping in the background. Look at that, and you can see all of the snow detail on there. That's just beautiful. And then the background, the reverse of that one is snowflakes. Oh wow, look at that. Absolutely beautiful. You could just put that in a frame and it's a ready-made picture. It's that pretty. And we've got the stripes on the back of there, and this one's got like a lavender hint to it. So some's got a pink tone, the blue tones, the white, the lavender. They're beautiful. Those are outstandingly beautiful. So that one is called, let's remind ourselves what it's called. That one is called Feels Like Frost 6x6 Speciality Designer Series paper. Outstanding. So this one is Come Together Designer Series paper. So let's have a look at this one. I think this one's got quite an autumnal feel to it, because you know it's autumn. It's not just going to be Christmas. It's not autumn yet. It's still August. We've got the lovely pumpkins there. Oh, I love that. Can't go wrong with gingham. It's always a winner. Gingham and stripes. Beautiful. Oh, look at that. That is so pretty. I love that. Love that colour. Beautiful. And when you do get your catalogue, if you look at each DSP, it will tell you all of the colours in each one. And when I send my paper share out, I will include a chart with all of the colours of each paper on it. That's lovely. That's really lovely. And look at that lovely rusty colour. That's beautiful. I'm not sure what each colour is. I've not memorised them. But when I send my paper shares out, there will be a chart inside there so you know exactly what colours. Ooh, I like that. Exactly what colours are in what. Beautiful. Absolutely stunning. So again, that's not, you know, event specific. It's not specifically for Christmas. It's not specifically for Halloween. It's autumnal. And that is absolutely beautiful. Really lovely. And then we've got the ever popular toile. It's toile, darling. You need to have a really posh voice to be able to pronounce it properly, apparently. Toile. It is beautiful. It is based on obviously the French design. I've had it in fabric before. It's absolutely stunning. And Stampin' Up have taken it and turned it into a DSP. That is stunning quality. Beautiful colours. So yes, for a little bit of elegance, you need to go for your toile. Stunning. Absolutely beautiful. I have shared this one before because I have already got this one previous to the pre-order. I was quite lucky. Beautiful. And again, this one is you can use it as autumnal rather than Christmas. Not everybody does Christmas crafting. Not everybody even celebrates Christmas. But these papers are more winter theme than anything. Stunning. Absolutely beautiful. And you're not going to struggle to match up your colours because you've got just the two there. So that's awesome. Now Halloween, I don't really do Halloween crafting. I don't think it really is as big in the UK as it is in America. In America it's awesome. I see it on the internet, you know, and I've got American friends and they go all out and I think it's awesome fun. But it's just not something that's ever really, it's never really kicked off in England, I don't think. I always get a pumpkin, you know, and I'll get some sweets if any children come round. But other than that, you know, I don't decorate all my house and things. But this paper is absolutely awesome fun. Look at that. It looks like a newspaper print. It's really cool and I love the characters. I think it's awesome. This make a beautiful mini album. I think it's really fun. And these little pictures. I've seen some really awesome projects made already using this fantastic paper. Look at that with the spooky house, and that's like a layout like of the spooky house. Here it says secret passage and piano room, and it reminds me of Cluedo. Beautiful, awesome fun, and we've got all the apothecary jars there. Awesome. If you do miniatures, you could cut those out. I've seen a few miniature projects done already using those. And then here we've got the lovely awesome books. I think that's really cool, really awesome, and that would go brilliant with the rest of the suite because there is an entire suite that all coordinates. And there again, brilliant. And I love these characters. I think they're awesome. They're really fun. And then we've got cobwebs on the back of there. So there we go. I know my friend Karen will be purchasing that. She loves Halloween. I think she's just about the only person I know that in England that really does. And this one is called Brightly Gleaming Specialty Designer Series Paper. And again, when it says specialty, it generally means that it's got foil detail. So how many sheets do you get of this one? You're getting 12 sheets of this one because it's got the beautiful foiling on there. It looks like almost like rose gold. It's absolutely beautiful. Look at that, with the beautiful ornaments there and the I don't know if it's copper or rose gold. I'll have to have a good look in the catalogue. I call it rose gold. It's beautiful. That is really something else. So you'd only need a little bit of that. You'd only need a little bit of that to make a card really pop. And that is awesome, beautiful pattern there. And this one is my favourite. I would buy this paper pack just for these sheets of paper here. You think it's beautiful, absolutely stunning. And there's the reverse, and that one as well. Wow, beautiful. So there might be something within a paper pack that you don't like, but there's always two sides to every sheet, and within the whole pack there's I always end up using it all. Stunning, absolutely beautiful. And then the final one, and this is our fun Christmassy one, and this is called Let It Snow Speciality Designer Series paper. So let's see what's special about this one. Let's have a look. Excuse me, I'm still fighting this bad chest. Oh, look at those, aren't they fun? Little snowmen, they're awesome fun. Let me just lift it up so you can see those little characters. And of course there is an entire suite of awesome fun items to go with this paper. There's the little Christmassy mittens, and I love these colours because they're not the dark Christmas colours, the lights, nice and subtle colours, and these you could use all year round. So if you've got some left when you've done, there's the speciality bit, look at those. Those are glittered snowmen. Can you see? I don't know if you'll see, but that's got glitter detail there. That's really cute. I like that. And we've got beautiful red stripes in the back there. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. And I do know that within the suite there's the snowman punch, and it does fit, I believe, these snowman shapes here so that you can punch them out. Save your fingers from fussy cutting. And of course here you can cut these in bands. You can cut the individual little misters out, little snowmen out, and there's the back. Just beautiful. That's really lovely. And it doesn't come off on your hands, it's good quality. And here we've got hats, and the little red hats here have all got glitter detail on them. I don't know if you'll see, but that's lovely. And then we've got that beautiful one on the back, that's really nice. And then here we've got, I love the colourings of these. These are really lovely. We've got glitter detail on each of the trees there. And again we've got some lovely red stripes. That's really, really pretty. So that is it Let It Snow? Let me get the name right. I don't want to be giving you the wrong name. Let It Snow Speciality Designer Series paper. So those are all of the papers. They're all beautiful, beautiful Stampin' Up quality as always. You always get awesome quality with the beautiful Stampin' Up papers. So there you go, that's all of them, all 8 of the new papers. So don't forget, if you are interested in doing a paper share so that you get a little bit of all of them without having to buy them all like I have, pop on over to my blog at scrimpingmommy.co.uk, contact me by email, drop me a message on Facebook, and get your name on the list. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you soon.